So I'm Bryce. I'm from Los Angeles, California. This is my second time returning to Simply Implants Institute. I returned for Core 1 Plus because I just want to get more practice. I felt comfortable, or kind of comfortable the first time, but after placing like 20 more implants this time, I feel really comfortable and ready to start in my own practice. I placed around 20 implants over the course of this weekend. Most of them were extractions and then placing them immediately, but the last couple ones were fresh sites where they had a good ridge and I got to place them free-handed. I think the main difference was they were overall generally harder cases, so there's like less bone to start with, but this time, instead more experience, I got to review the treatment with the doctors beforehand, kind of go over how to plan it, what you're looking for, and how to make changes on the go during the treatment. So I just felt overall more prepared for these cases this time. The value added taking this class overall, or multiple times overall, is that I just generally feel more prepared to place implants at my practice. I feel more confident and I just feel ready to go out there and just start helping my patients out some more. I feel like so at the practice I'm at, I got everything started. So I got all the equipment ready, got my first patients ready, did some basic cases, but now after this, I just feel more prepared to take on more complex cases now. Yeah, I definitely recommend taking Core 1 Plus. I feel like it's like added opportunity just to build on your knowledge from the first course. So now it's like I expanded on that. I learned a lot more just because I'm faster than the first time. So you get to do more cases and you just get to learn more overall.